Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today we are here also by my daughter's wonderful paintings, my 4-year-old daughter's wonderful paintings, and today we are diving into the Crawlomatic Scraper shortcode, which was added recently to the version 2.0 of Crawlomatic. So let's get started, and today I will be crawling this website. This is an example website I found, and it is a great example for the new feature of Crawlomatic. So you will see multiple tables here listed. Some have ads and some have some I think betting and lotto numbers or something similar. Okay, so let me show you how you can scrape these tables and display them separately using different pages from your site. So you can add this table on a page, this one to another page, for example, and so on. So let me show you how to do it. And also the best part is that the table will be automatically updated each hour or each day, or depending how you set shortcode settings. So let us dive into this. For this, I will be creating a new post here on my site, and I will be using the Crawlomatic Scraper shortcode. So this is the shortcode that I will be using today. Its documentation is found here. If you click here, and you will see its entire documentation on this page. But now let us get started and create the, let's say I want to scrape this first table, for example, every hour, and to refresh it on my page every hour. So here is how I can do it. First, I create a new post. Let's give the title of the post exactly like the title of the table. This is just for demonstration purposes. You can title your post anyhow you wish. And let's add a shortcode or a Gutenberg block that will do the job for us. So let's go today with the shortcode. So let's copy the shortcode and paste it here. Also, for better results, you should use the code editor, because as you will see, WordPress adds HTML tags automatically to your content if you are using the live editor. So you should prefer code editor when adding shortcodes to WordPress editor. Okay, now when we added this, we can add parameters to this shortcode to make it work. First, we need to add the URL parameter, and the URL parameter needs to point to the website which we are scraping. Next, we should set the selector from where should the plugin extract the content from this page. So for example, let's see, we will use the query type selector and use query type equals, and for the query type you will be using today CSS selector. If you don't know this type of selector, you can learn it online. Just check CSS selector on Google and you should be getting info about how to use it. You can also use auto selector here, but in this case the plugin will auto detect content on the page and it will automatically import the best matching content that it thinks that is useful for you. So today I am using CSS selector, and also we need to add a query that matches our CSS selector type. For this, let's hit inspect on the table we wish to import, and we will see that it has the class color yellow. If we check the page source and search for the class color yellow, we will see that there are 3 elements that have this class. So after inspecting our page, we will see that this is the second color yellow. This is very intuitive because we will see actually the color of the table colored like the class name. So this is the first table which is color yellow, this is the second, and this add is the third one. So with this knowledge in our mind, we can go back and write dot color yellow, meaning that the plugin will extract content from class color yellow that matches the class color yellow. Also, if you have multiple results that are matching the selector that you write, you can instruct the plugin to display only the first one, only the second one, only the third one, or a selection between first and second, or only the second one and the third one, and so on. So let's leave this by its default value like this, and now the plugin will include all three tables. So let's publish this post and check how our tables are displaying right now. So here they are. As you can see, this is our first table. The plugin extracts only the values of the table. So if you want to apply also styling to the pages, you need to add CSS to your page, similarly to how this page uses its CSS. For this, you can use tools to extract the CSS from the source pages, or use the services offered by a developer to style your page, or you can also do it yourself. Okay, now let's get back to our page. So let's say we will want to display only the contents of this table, which is yellow, and leave the other two out. So these two should be left out. For this, let's go back to our shortcode and write EQ equals 0. This means that the plugin should should include in the page which it displays only the first matching HTML tag that matched the query that we made. So 0 is the first index in programming, so if you want to include the first index, keep in mind you should include 0 there. And 1 is second, 2 is third, and so on. So if we update now the page and refresh here, we will see that the bottom disappeared and the first result is included. If we want to include this yellow result, for example, we simply change this to 1 and hit update, refresh, and it's updated now to the first result. Okay, now for example, if we want to get the contents of this blue table, then select here inspect element and check the class name of the table, and it is color blue. Hit update and refresh page, and we will get the Damakai result, which is from the blue table. Okay, so and so on. This is how you will be able to set automatically updating results to your page from scraped data. If you want to change the amount of minutes after which the content is automatically refreshed, you should use the cache parameter of the shortcode. So we can simply add here cache equals and the amount of minutes after which the plugin should automatically refresh the content of page. So for example, 60 is 1 hour, 180 is 3 hours, and so on. You can add here any value you wish. For extended parameters that you can use for this new shortcode, I recommend that you check its documentation. I will link it in this video's description. Also, if you want to get Crawlomatic, you can check it also in the description of the video, and you can see if it is something that you that helps you in your journey with configuring your site to get automatic content from whatever source you wish to import. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I wanted to show how to get automatically content from any website and how to make it automatically be refreshed on it. So maybe on other occasions I will show you also how to apply CSS and how to style the tables that you import. Let me know in the comment section that if you want this, and I will make another video on this. Thank you for watching. Until then, please subscribe because I create videos each day at 7 p.m. GMT and I will upload them here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you stay subscribed, you will see them firsthand. Stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.